about our NGO, Daj Se Hamdard Tak Trust. So, friends, Daj Se Hamdard Tak Trust is an non-profit organization which provides free legal aid services to the under trial prisoners. We at Daj Se Hamdard Tak Trust believe that no one should be deprived of justice because they are not financially sound or unable to hire a highly paid lawyer. We believe in providing the representation to the ones who are not duly represented. Since the inception of our NGO, we have been successful in providing representations to many. When counting on numbers, it ranges around 500 to 600 inmates. We have provided them legal representation till now. We have also taken efforts in the e-governance sector. We have taken efforts to provide the benefits of e-governance to the prisoners. We had written a letter to the government in order to implement e-governance in various prisons across Maharashtra, and as a result of such, the e-mulakat has now started from the prisoners, and the lawyers can have a mulakat with their inmates from wherever they want. Moving one step ahead, after realizing the difficulties faced by not only the litigants in e-filing but also the lawyers, we have planned to arrange this session. We have been providing representation to all the sections of the society, ranging from the juvenile to to the women's and even to the transgender. By wasting no time, I would now further request Soumya Chowre to take over the session further. Thank you so much.
For the brief overview and such a profound insights about our trust. I now invite Advocate Omkar Patil to introduce our esteemed Chief Guest Vishal Sathe sir, whom we all are eagerly looking forward for hearing.
Thank you, Soumya. Good morning, everyone. I am Advocate Omkar Patil from Darsha Amdar Trust. It is my distinct honor to introduce our esteemed speaker for today's session, a distinguished figure in the legal community, Senior Civil Judge Vishal Sathe sir. Today, Vishal Sathe sir will be sharing invaluable insights on the topic of e-filing of cases. He is a senior civil judge and officer on special duty at the High Court of Bombay. With over 15 years of experience as a judge, he is also master trainer nominated by E-Committee Supreme Court of India since 2014 and has provided several training sessions to judges, court staff, advocates on the e-court project and e-filing. We are privileged to have them with us today to shed light on the intricacies of e-filing. E-filing has emerged as a pivotal tool in streamlining court procedure, reducing paperwork, and expediting case management. Vishal Sir's extensive experience to incorporating digital solution make them uniquely qualified to discuss the benefit, challenges, and future prospect of e-filing. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Senior Civil Judge Vishal Sathe sir. Welcome to the session, sir. Thank you. Over to you, Soumya.
Thank you, sir. I now humbly request our keynote speaker to commence today's discussion on e-filing for sessions and MM thoughts.
Thank you so much. A very good morning to all the law students, learned advocates, Prakash Salsingikar, the entire team of Dard Se Dar Hamdard Tak. First of all, we must appreciate the initiative taken by Dard to Hamdard Tak for conducting this platform, conducting this session for all the students and advocates. You all know, not only in Maharashtra, but all over the country, the e-filing has been made mandatory. Therefore, we all must know the niceties of the e-filing. And therefore, this organization has organized this session. First of all, I want to tell you that it is the E-Committee Supreme Court of India who has developed this e-filing portal with the view to provide to facilitate ease of e-filing of cases in both civil and criminal types. This e-filing portal is customized version developed by the E-Committee Supreme Court of India. By using this e-filing portal, you can file your case from anywhere, from your home, from your office, or from any place of your choice. This saves your time and money as well. So, without wasting a time, now we would go to the e-filing portal. For going to the e-filing portal, you have to do one thing. You have to type a page web portal, that is efiling.ecourts.gov.in. Once we type and we log into this portal, you will get an option to log in as an advocate, or to log in as a litigant, or to log in as a clerk as well. So Gajanan, can you log in?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For login purpose, you have to do nothing. You have to just go onto the Google, and at web address you have to type efiling.ecourts.gov.in. So this is the face of e-filing portal. This is initiative of E-Committee of Supreme Court of India. Paperless court is one of the motto of phase 3 and phase 2 of the e-courts project, mission mode project of Supreme Court of India and Government of India. See, if you see this face, this dashboard of e-filing services, you can see, you can file, you can register as an advocate or clerk or litigant on e-filing portal. If you have already registered, then you can log into e-filing portal by using your credential, that is username and your password. But if you have not already registered on e-filing portal, then what you have to do is to click on new user registration caption. See, once you click onto the new registration caption, you will find this page. On this page, on the top of it, you can see you can register as an advocate or litigant or clerk. So we will register as an advocate, new advocate, who is not already registered one. So first field which you have filled in is the state. Obviously, we are in the Maharashtra, so we have typed Maharashtra as a state. Then you have to type your registration code. Registration code is provided by Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa. This is my registration code 2511/2004. If you are registered with Maharashtra, Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, then all your details will automatically fetch by this e-filing portal. You have to click as a verify. Once you click on verify button, your details are already fetched automatically. This is the name of the user and this is the date of birth of the user. Then the next field which you have to fill is the district, that is ordinary place of your practice, which have to be filled in here. So my field is already there, that is Nanded. State is already automatically fetched as a Maharashtra. Then the other fields which are marked by red stars are mandatory. If they are not automatically fetched, you have to type all the fields. Then You have to type your mobile number. Once you type your mobile number, the OTP will be sent on your mobile number. That OTP you have to be typed at the caption which is shown as enter OTP. Once you enter your OTP, you will be successfully submitting the registration form to the e-filing portal. Once you submit your registration form on e-filing portal, your registration would be completed happily. After submitting this button, you have to do one more thing. You have to keep your documents like advocate identity card, which has been provided by the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, then your sanad of LLB and Aadhaar card or PAN card and your photograph. These documents you need to be uploaded on the e-filing portal. Once you upload your document, then your registration would be successful. You have to create your own user ID and password. You can use your mobile number or bar registration code as your user ID. And for the purpose of password, the password must be at least 6 words or 6 figures, one of which must be in capital letter, the second must be small letter, one figure, and one special character like hash or @ etc. So once you complete all this formality, you would be successfully registered on the e-filing portal. And once you register on the e-filing portal, you would be able to e-file the case by using e-filing portal. So now what we will do, we will log into the e-filing portal by using available credential with us, and then we will see how a case can be filed by using e-filing portal. So we are typing here the username. Then we have to type the password. After typing the password, CAPTCHA is there. You have to type the CAPTCHA. And see the nicety of this e-filing portal. This is end-to-end solution provided by the E-Committee Supreme Court of India, which facilitate ease of filing e-filing of the cases both in civil and criminal cases, and it is bilingual portal, which means you can use it in English language or you can use it in your local language, that is Marathi also. We are logging into the registered user e-filing portal. After login is successful, we will see the dashboard of the e-filing portal. See, we have already logged into e-filing portal. This is dashboard of the e-filing portal. On dashboard, you can see draft pleadings. Draft pleadings means the pleadings which you have been not completed or not confirmed by you, and therefore they have come in this tab as a draft pleading. Second one is completed pleadings. Completed pleadings means the pleadings which have been completed, which have been verified, which have been e-signed, and you have uploaded the pleadings, those pleadings shown as completed pleadings. Then draft IAS. This draft IAS means draft interlocutory applications or interim applications, which you are required to file in the cases. Then this is completed IAS, like completed pleadings. This red portion which you can see is the cases which you have submitted and which have been consumed by the CIS, but they are kept under the caption objection because you might not have paid the court fees or you might not have completed the address and all the essential fields of the e-filing portal. So in the cases wherever objections are taken, These cases are shown in the red caption as under objection. The next one is my cases. My cases means the cases which you have been successfully submitted through e-filing portal and which have been consumed by the CIS after removing all the objections. Now this is calendar. In this calendar, all these figures which you can see in the blue color are the figures of the cases which you have been e-filed through the e-filing portal. And in this calendar, you can see how many cases you have filed and how many cases are there on each day of the month. So this is a calendar. By using the calendar, you can see on which date you have which case. Now we will do one thing. The next tab is addition of a partner. In the addition of partner, what you can do, if you register as an advocate and you have a lot of colleagues or a lot of junior, then you can add your junior or your colleague as your partner on the e-filing portal. After addition of the partner, the person to whom you have added as a partner, they have to accept your request as an addition of partner. Once he accepts your request as a partner, he becomes your partner, and your partner would be able to see all the cases which you have been e-filed by using your user ID. The partner which you have been added can be revoked by you, but that revocation also needs to be accepted by the person who has added you as a partner. So this is something about addition of partner and revocation of partner. The next field that we would go would be filing of the new case. See, you can file new case by using this tab. There are two tabs. One is new case and the second one is managing your favorite client. Managing your favorite client means if you have a client who have lots of cases in the courts, so you can file his case once and you can add him as your favorite client. So whenever you want to feed his details for the next case, all his details would automatically fetched. So you would not be required to type again and again the details of that favorite client. So we will do one thing now. We will go to the tab e-filing of a new case. This is a page that you can see once you click on filing of a new case. This is initial inputs where you have to type initial inputs. Then you will see the litigant tab. Then you will see the fact detail tab. Then you will say case detail tab, etc. So now we are in the tab of initial inputs. Here what we will do, we will have to fill all these details, like select the district. You have to select the district in which place you ordinary practice. Once you select the district, as we have selected Sangli here, you would be able to see the establishments which are there in the district Sangli. All the establishments which are there at district Sangli, you would be able to select from using this tab. Now, which case you want to file? Is it civil or criminal? That you have to type here. We have selected a civil case. Relief sought. In this caption, you have to type the relief which you have sought. In this case, we are seeking the relief of injunction. Then what would be the case type? Case type means would it be a regular civil suit or summary suit? So it would be a civil suit for perpetual injunction. We can select the appropriate case type by using this tab. Here you have to feed the initial details of the plaintiff, the name of the plaintiff. Then in the next tab, you have to feed and type the mobile number of the plaintiff. Then submit. See, once you click on the button submit, the e-filing number would be generated. This e-filing number is very important for you for the purpose of limitation as well. So this will we see later on in the session. So once you type the details of the plaintiff, in short, the e-filing number would be generated. See here, we have clicked as a plaintiff. We are under the tab of litigants. Here you have to enter all the details of the litigants. The first details which you need to feed are the details of the plaintiff. Name of the plaintiff, then gender of the plaintiff, whether he is male or female, then relation of the plaintiff, he is son of whom, age of the plaintiff, date of birth of the plaintiff, caste of the plaintiff. All details which are referred here are expected to be filled in by you because these details would be very important. It is true that in this tab, the information which are marked by red star are mandatory information you are expected to fill, but all information, whether they are marked as a star or not, irrespective of that, you should fill all information because this information is very necessary. On the information which you have filled in, the summons and warrant would be issued on that field only. We are in the field of address now. All this information are necessary, and as having been said, this information is available in bilingual mode as well. Means in the Marathi also you need to type the necessary inputs. Here in Marathi, we are again typing the name of the plaintiff and his address. You have to click on the update button. Once you click on the update button, whatever information you have filled in would be updated. The next tab would be tab of the dependent. Similar information you have to fill here as you have filled in about the plaintiff, name of the plaintiff, gender of the plaintiff, plaintiff's father's name, date of the plaintiff, date of birth, age of the plaintiff, his caste, email of the plaintiff, occupation of the defendant, mobile number of the defendant, address of the defendant. All this information you have to fill in here, and this information is need to be filled in Marathi language also. Once you fill this information, you have to click on the button save. So whatever information you have filled in would be saved, and you can go to the another tab. This is very friendly user portal. You would not get more time to e-file the case. Therefore, the advocates which have yet not registered on this portal must register so as to provide ease of e-filing of the cases. So after typing all these initial inputs, you would go to the another tab. Gajan, can you go to the another tab? Plaintiffs and dependents information. Plaintiffs and dependents information we have already filled in. The next tab is fact details. In fact detail, what you have to type is what is the actual fact of your case, what has happened. In short, what is the cause of action and date of the fact, on which date the fact was happened. In the first step, we have to select the date. In the next tab, we have to select the time of the fact which has occurred. And in the fact caption, you have to type the actual fact which has occurred. For example, we would type here, defendant encroached my field. So in short, the fact would be defendant encroached my field on so and so date and at so and so time. This would be your fact details in short. You have to again click onto the save button. See, you can see whatever you have typed are updated. The next tab is case details. In the case details, you have to fill in the cause of action. First thing, the cause of action. In this cause of action caption, you have to type, like I am typing, the defendant has encroached my field. This is the cause of action. Then on which date the defendant has encroached the field of the plaintiff, that date you need to type here. In this tab, you can type the important information. If anything you need to add, then in this tab, you have to type the prayer which you are seeking from the court. Like here, we are typing to restrain the defendant from encroaching the field of the plaintiff perpetually. This is the prayer which you can generally seek in the suit of injunction. Along with this prayer, you can seek any other prayer. You can type several prayers by 1, 2, 3, etc. Here, valuation of suit. If you know, you can type the valuation of suit. Then again, the state and taluka where the field is situated. Same information you need to type in Marathi language also. This is important field. This field is act and section. Generally, the injunction is sought under specific relief act, perpetual injunction so far is concerned. Therefore, the act is automatically selected from the drop-down button, that is specific relief act. And section, we can select 39, 34 is about declaration. Any section you can select from the drop-down button or from the caption of section. After typing same information in Marathi, you need to click on save button. This information is updated automatically. Then this information which you can see is e-file. After this, we need to upload our pleadings. There are different documents we can upload by using e-filing portal. After feeding initial inputs fact details, case details. The next stage that would come is filing of the pleading. You have to keep ready your plaint, your vakil patra, memo address, and the list of document. These all information you can see here in which court your case is filed. Gajan, can we go to the pleading directly? If you are a new advocate and you want to take help of the templates of the templates of the pleadings are also available on this portal. You can use those templates. This is pleading. You have to select new case. Here, e-filing number would come under drop down button. You can select in which case you want to file the pleading. Here, file name, you can type as a plaint. You have to browse the plaint document from your PC or your laptop. Select the plaint. Add file. See, you have selected plaint from your laptop or computer, wherever you have kept that file. Plaint has been uploaded. Now you can select address memo. Browse it, find where you have kept the address memo. Select the address memo, add into file. Your address memo is added. Then vakil patra. Browse the vakil patra, select it and add it. The last document would be list of documents. For the purpose of illustration, we have taken 4 documents only, but in your case, there may be lots of other documents. Only thing is that document size must not be more than 20 MB. If your plaint is of 40 MB size, then you can bifurcate it into files, plaint 1 and plaint 2, by making it 20 MB each. And then you would be able to file or upload plaint 1 and plaint 2 as well. For the purpose of filing of pleading through e-portal, what is important is that you have to keep ready PDF document of the pleading and PDF document, any other PDF documents which you need to upload. Then you have to click on submit button. See, all your plaint, address memo, vakil patra and list of documents have been submitted. Now the next stage would be indexing of these documents. Indexing of those documents. Indexing of document is necessary because you can see on which page what document you have kept. For example, if we indexing a document, you can see that your plaint is at page number 1 to 14. Your vakil patra is at page number 15. Your list of document is at serial number page number 16. So this is for this purpose, indexing of a document through e-filing portal is necessary. See, after indexing, you can see that your plaint is at page number 1 to 5. After indexing all these documents, you can see page number here only. After indexing, you can merge all these documents simultaneously together. What is the help of merging of document? Merging of document is useful for you to refer to one document only. All your documents like plain, then your Vakil Patra, list of document, and your address memo would be in a one file only. So this is the merging of the document. After uploading of pleadings, after indexing of pleading, after merging of pleading, the next stage is verification of the pleading. Gajanan, can we go to the verification page? There are two methods of verification of your pleading. First, you can verify your pleading through your advocate, or you can verify your pleading through your client as well. It is expected that this verification of pleading shall be done both through advocate and your client. In the verification of the pleading, there are again two methods. You can verify your pleading by method of obtaining OTP, or you can verify your pleading by e-signing of the document. If you have a e-signing facility available with you, you can e-sign the document, or you can verify the pleading by obtaining OTP on a registered mobile phone of the client or advocate. See, here one of the document is verified by obtaining OTP on the mobile number. OTP is received. He is typing the OTP. Once OTP is typed, your document is verified. So this document is verified. Considering the time limitation, we would not verify all the document. Verification of one document is done. Gajanan, can we go to the oath recording caption? This is oath recording caption. You can record oath in a new case or existing case. Recording of oath is for what purpose? Recording of oath is again one of the mode of verification of case which you have e-filed and verification of pleadings which you have uploaded. This verification of pleading and the details which you have filled in by using e-filing portal can be verified by recording of oath. See, once you go to the recording of oath caption, you will see this caption. You have to do nothing. If you have to record oath as an advocate or client, you have to read whatever contents which have written here. Once you read all these contents which are written here, you have to upload your oath. Once you upload your oath, your verification is done. So this is something about the verification of pleading and facts through oath verification mode. The next stage would be e-payment. On the dashboard of the e-filing portal, at the top, you can see e-payment caption. In the e-payment caption, you have to fill name of the party and all the details which have been mentioned here. The court fees, the amount of the court fees which you need to fill here. Once you fill all the details of your case and the amount of court fees, this will take you to the GRAS system. And on the GRAS system, by using e-wallet or by using your credit card, ATM card or internet bank facility, you would be able to make e-payment from your home and without going to the court. So 1 hour time which has been given to us is about to over, and one more session, that is the session of question and answers, is also there. So I think I must stop here. This is something about e-filing, and if anything you wish to ask, this forum is